Today we're here at the Model Home Park for Cresswind Peachtree City, and I'm going to talk to Pam from Kolter Homes because it is the final opportunity to be a part of this award-winning active adult community. Pam, I understand that if you want to be part of Cresswind Peachtree City, that now is the time.
Actually, it is, because we have limited opportunities available now at Cresswind Peachtree City. So really come by and take a look and see what we have to offer. If you're looking for an award-winning 55-plus community, a low-maintenance lifestyle, and homes specifically designed for active adults, now's the time to tour Cresswind Peachtree City. Named Best 55-Plus Community by the Greater Atlanta Home Builders Association. We're in the final phase of home site releases, so don't miss your chance to find the perfect location for your new home and work with our design experts to select all the finishing touches. Here at Cresswind, building your new home from the ground up is easier than ever. Our new home guides have a simple plan to help you choose the right floor plan for you, and then you'll work with a design consultant who will help you personalize your new home to fit your tastes and lifestyle. Many of the available home sites offer flexible living spaces and daylight basements. The homes are just the beginning. Cresswind's nationally award-winning lifestyle program is designed to set yourself free, F-R-E-E, through fitness, relationships, education, and entertainment programs so you can live better, longer. For fitness, you'll find dozens, maybe even hundreds of ways to stay healthy, either inside our 17,000 square foot clubhouse or outdoors at a resort-style pool, pickleball, and tennis courts, plus walking trails. When it comes to relationships, Cresswind makes it easy to establish and grow lifelong friendships through a variety of clubs, programs, and activities. For education, we host a variety of speakers and programs that stimulate thought, ideas, and lifelong learning. Finally, and perhaps the most exciting, is entertainment. We have a full-time lifestyle director on site that plans concerts, events, game nights, and more. Plus, the community is connected to over 100 miles of golf cart paths that make all the events in Peachtree City just a golf cart ride away.
Well, Pam, with only a few opportunities remaining, it feels like now is the perfect time to come visit Cresswind Peachtree City.
It really is. Come on down and take a look at our 11 designer decorated models here in Cresswind Peachtree City, because it really is the last opportunities we have available. Explore the final opportunities in the award-winning lifestyle at Atlanta's best 55-plus community yourself. Our models and welcome center are open daily. New homes are priced from the 300s.
Well, Pam, thanks so much for being here with me today. It truly is the final opportunity to experience the award-winning lifestyle here at Cresswind Peachtree City. So come and visit today and start living that Cresswind lifestyle.